All right, today I'm going to answer the question, how do you continue to live in your property once you've put it on the market for sale? Hi, everyone. I'm Katie Evans, owner and lead agent of the Living 48 real estate team. Welcome back to another one of our video vlogs. And today we're really going to be talking about how do you live in a house when you've got it listed for sale? Oh my goodness. So you guys, you know, your home has always been your sanctuary. It's your one true personal space. You've lived in it, you have your memories in it, and now we are selling it. It's a different time. It's a different way to live in that property, and it can get very, very stressful to live a normal life. And oh my gosh, throw kids and pets in on top of that. Now we have a real challenge. So I have got 5 tips for you today that I think are going to help make it a little bit less stressful, a little bit less hectic, and hopefully give you a little bit of a leg up while trying to sell a house that you're currently living in. Okay, so let's talk about it. Tip number 1, start packing now. The idea is you're moving, so let's go ahead and get that house packed up. Let's get storing boxes, and we're going to actually utilize the garage as our staging area. A garage is a garage is a garage, you guys. So unless it is like something over the top amazing, it is perfectly fine to utilize your garage as a staging area for moving, okay? People just want to see, can I park a car in here? Is the hot water heater there? Those kinds of things. So we want to open up as much space in the house as possible, which means we need to move some of those things out, and the garage is the perfect place to do it. And since you will be moving, this is just going to give you a head start on something that you're going to have to do eventually anyway. All right, point number 2. Sell, donate, or throw it away. While you're packing, this is amazing time to do a little decluttering and downsizing. If you haven't used it in the last few years, I'm gonna say it's probably time to part with it. Okay. I love the whole idea of paying it forward by donating items that you're no longer using, and it frees up some space for you mentally, physically, emotionally to bring new and better things into your life. So don't be afraid to get rid of and donate items that can be donated that are still in decent condition. Okay. All right. Talking point number 3, tip number 3, get it squeaky clean. A clean and cared for house can actually help net you about $5,000 more, or even up to $10,000 more, depending on your sale. All right. We want to shoot for like a 5-star hotel perfection with the cleaning. Deep cleaning, baseboards, corners, behind the doors, horizontal surfaces, everything. We are looking to have the bathrooms, the kitchen, the windows, the floors, everything sparkly clean. Now, when I list a property with kids and we're still living in it, I will actually go around to each one of the children and we will be pinky swearing that before they go out the door that day, their beds are made, the toothbrush is clean, or the toothpaste is cleaned out of the sink in the bathroom, the toilet lid is down, and everything is off the floor in the bedrooms, and they have cleaned off the bathroom mirror. Okay, so we want it to sparkle. That's what we're looking for. All right, point number 4, maintain privacy and safety. Now, you need to know that when buyers are looking to buy a house, like literally nothing is off limits. They're going to open medicine cabinets. They're going to open closets. They're going to open drawers. They're going to be going through all kinds of stuff. So I want you to take the opportunity to ensure that there is nothing valuable or personal anywhere that they could find it. Consider keeping firearms in a different location, your jewelry, your medications. Maybe have a grab bag that you take with you every time you leave the house for showings. There are just things to consider that way. So just be on the safe side, maintain your privacy and your safety. All right. Tip number 5, point number 5, involve your kids. Nothing is better than having your kids be a part of the selling process. And the easiest way to get them involved is to gamify it, all right? Or a reward system or something like that. Help them get excited about showing the houses and help them get excited about helping you to not have to handle all of the work. All right. You will not believe how motivated your kids will be for a pinky swear, a special candy bar, a toy, a checkmark chart, all kinds of things. Kids are awesome like that. So be sure to involve your kids in that. All right, you guys, those are my top 5 tips for living in a house while you are preparing it for sale in today's market. If you have any other questions, if you have any additional tips, put them in the comments below. We'd love to share those. But let us know what you think about this and our other video blogs. And if you have anything that you'd like us to talk to you about specifically, let us know. We'd be happy to do a video on it. All right. Thanks for watching this video. We'll catch you on our next one. As always, we're here to be a resource for you. So reach out in any way that you are consuming this content or to me directly at 480-415-1341. Have a great day.